How to make a loan agency website. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this tutorial we'll be using Wix to make a loan agency website. The reason why I recommend that you go onto wix.com to create your website is because Wix is beginner friendly and you can also start creating your website for completely free. You don't need a credit card to sign up or anything like that. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com. Once you have signed up using your email address, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And once on this dashboard, all I want you to do is go over to the top right hand corner and tap on Create New Site. After you have tapped on Create New Site, you will be redirected to this page. And all you have to do is tap on the search bar right here. And from here, we are going to simply type in loan. Then you are going to select loan agency. After doing that, you are going to tap on next. Once you have tapped on next, you are going to be redirected to a dashboard on which you are going to fill in some basic information about your business, which Wix AI will be able to use to create a website for you. So just give it a few seconds meanwhile Wix loads up. So as you can see right here, we are redirected to the dashboard. And the first thing you're going to do is enter your website name or your business name better yet. So let's say, for example, my business name is Loans by Jason. So I'll simply type in Loans by Jason right here. Then you would add your business address. After you have done that, you're going to tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. Then you can select your working hours, for example, whether you're open from 10 a.m. to 6 a.m. or better yet, I'll select from 9 to 5. So let me select 9 o'clock real quick. So I'll be open from 9 to 5. As you can see right here. And also you can choose the days that you're open. Then you are going to tap on next again. And from here, you'll be able to select the services that you provide. So let's say, for example, you provide in-person tax filing. You can tap on that. If you also provide one-on-one rapid trading consultation, you can simply tap on that. Then you'll select financial consultation. If you provide that, you can tap on that. And you can scroll down and select the different services that you provide. And if you don't see a service that you provide, you can tap on Create New Service to add that service. Then you are going to tap on Next. And from here, you can add your staff members. So you can add their name and email address. Then you are going to tap on Next again. And whether you would like to accept online payment or not, which more than likely you are going to be accepting online payment, you are going to tap right there. If you offer virtual sessions, you can simply tap on this if you want to do that. And that's the beautiful thing about Wix. Wix offers you numerous different apps and interface that you would have to go into WordPress and download numerous plugins and so on to add these. But with Wix, from you state the type of website that you would like to create, with their AI technology, they make creating a professional looking website quite easy. And if you would like to sync your personal Google or Apple Calendar, you can do that. If you would like to manage on the go with the Wix Owner app, which I recommend that you tap on, you can do that. Then you'll select Next. After doing that, you're going to tap on Continue to Dashboard. Once on the dashboard, I want you to pay attention to the left-hand menu option. So I'm going to be showing you what to do next. Just give the AI a few seconds, meanwhile it creates our website. Once on the dashboard, what I want you to do is scroll down, and right where you see set up payment methods, you're going to tap right there. After you have tapped on set up payment methods, from here you'll be able to add the different payment methods that you would like to receive payments on your website. So let's say, for example, you're going to add PayPal. You'll tap on Connect PayPal and you're going to enter your PayPal account information. Also, if you would like to add manual payments, you are going to tap on Connect. And if you would like to accept credit and debit cards or other payment methods, all you have to do is tap on See More Payment Methods in the bottom left-hand corner. Then from here, you can connect any one of these payment methods. Once you are finished setting up the numerous payment methods on your website, you are going to go back to the top left-hand corner and you are going to tap on Home. After you're on the home page, I want you to go over to the top right-hand corner and tap on Design Site. After tapping on Design Site, I want you to tap on Pick a Template. And from here, you'll be able to pick the template that you would like to use for your new website. So you can see that Wix suggests these two templates as the best match, or you can scroll down and you can choose from any one of these templates. As you can see that there are numerous pages of templates that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, I were to use this template. All I would have to do is tap on Edit. Once you have tapped on Edit, you are going to give the AI a few seconds. Meanwhile, it prepares our new website. Onto the left-hand menu option. So you are going to tap right where you see Add Elements. And by the way, you will see this option on whichever page you are on your website. And this allows you to add text if you want to your website. All you would have to do is tap on the text box and drag it to wherever you would like to add text on your website. Also, if you would like to add an image, it is the same concept. You would simply tap on Upload Image. Then you'll be able to drag and place the image wherever you want on your website. If you would like to add a button, it's the same concept. Simply hover over button. Then from there, you can select the type of button that you would like to add. As you can see right here, there are numerous button options. Or if you would like to add the PayPal button or so on, you can also do that. If you would like to add anything at all you'll need to do is go over to the template right here that says Add Elements, and you'll be able to do that, as you can see right here. Also, I want you to pay attention to the third icon, which is Pages and Menu, as this shows the pages that are currently on your website. And if you would like to add a new page, all you have to do is tap on Add right here to create a new page. Or if you would like to, for example, create a members page, all you would have to do is tap on Members area, then tap on Add a Members page if you would like. If you want to create a booking page, you can also do that, as you can see right here. And let's say, for example, you don't like the color of your website or you don't like the theme. To change the theme, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap right where you see the capital A, and after doing that, you're going to see a pop-up menu. And you will see the option Change Theme. You can tap on that, and from there, you'll be able to change the color concept of your theme. So let's say, for example, I want to change it to this color. All I would have to do is tap on it, and you can see that each aspect of the website has changed, as you can see right there. Also, if you would like to change the background color, you can do that by tapping on Page Background, as you can see right here. Now that I've shown you to do those stuff, let's say, for example, you want to change the top section right here. So let's say I want to change the name that is in the top left-hand corner. All I would have to do is tap on the header, then tap on Quick Edit. And from here, I can change the name. So I'll simply tap right where you see Paragraph. Then from there, I could add the name that I want. And if I would like to change the color or any other thing to the header section, I can do that. And that is how to change anything on your new Wix website. So if you like to change the text, all you have to do is tap on the text, then tap on Quick Edit, and from there you will be able to edit the text or edit that particular section. So let's say you want to remove the background pic, you can do that by selecting right where you see Change Background. So if you would like to add something else, you can do that. And that's it. That's how to edit every page of your Wix website. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. But before publishing it, we're going to select preview so that you can see how it looks. And by the way, when you tap on publish, from there you'll be able to select the domain name that you'd like to use, and Wix will host your website for completely free. So you can see how the website looks right here. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.